You may have wondered why there are 2 strips of Velcro included with your Papoose. The short answer is they're there in case your pistol pouch interferes with the front sight on your pistol when drawing or reholstering. So if that's your case, here's an easy way to install these. And you may need only this one side on the buckle side. You may not need the belt side at all. So start by peeling back the pistol pouch on your buckle side. And now we're going to slide a strip of Velcro in between the buckle and the capture. The way you want to do it is so the hook side faces the buckle. Get better light here. Slide that into the padded buckle capture, or plain buckle capture if you're using the new version, and then bring the ends together. And now this can help you put tension on the pistol pouch by interfacing with the Velcro sandwich. So whereas the Velcro sandwich was here before, now you can stick it onto the little strip of Velcro, and then we'll turn the pistol pouch right side out again. And as we slide it over the buckle, make sure the Velcro sandwich is attached to, just feel for it, is attached to that strip. I can't get an angle in there, but now you can get a little more tension over here. And you noticed whereas before the shoulder of the pistol pouch was on the sight channel, now it's got a good, half-inch clearance. If you're running the Express, this is going to work the same way. Hook side facing the buckle, and insert between the capture and the buckle. And it's going to go the exact same way onto the Velcro sandwich. If you want a more secure connection, you can open up the Velcro sandwich and clamp the Velcro strip inside it, and that way it's attached on both sides. See if you can see that. And then slide that back over. And now this cannot move onto the holster. On the belt side, with the Express, it'll be easier because you got this big old gap between the sides of the belt that loop into the faceplate, but the application is going to be the same. Just bring both sides together, loop facing your body, and then this is going to go either on the belt sleeve or on the Velcro sandwich. And on the regular belt, what we can do is slide Velcro strip between belt attachment and faceplate, and on the back side bring these ends together, and then open up the Velcro sandwich for the extra security on the Velcro. But if you want to just put them on the top of the Velcro sandwich, see what works best for you. But if you want to go inside the Velcro sandwich, open it up, slide it in there, and then pull everything back into place. And there you have it. Big, wide open holster opening.